Charlie.
It's filming.
Tell him his weight, Chuck.
He's 95 pounds. And he is huge.
95 pounds.
26-inch head.
26-inch head.
He's a stud, bro.
Make him sit so you can see him straight on. Sit, Charlie. Charlie, sit.
Take off his collar, look better.
Sit.
Charlie.
It's a nice dog. Bro, I think this camera's food.
Mom doesn't want the colors and the things off of them.
Oh, doesn't? He won't bite.
Yeah.
Look. He won't bite.
Dude, don't put them on camera.
Different. You want it from stud service, you can.
He don't bite.